All right, people. Welcome back. Welcome back to the live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me just have a look here. Make sure we're on. Currently in some gold buys as well, which we will run over. All right, cool. Let me let everyone in on Zoom here as well. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. We'll get started here today. Jump straight in. See what we got going on in the markets today. Let's get everyone in here. All right. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let me see if everyone's in here. Oh, shit. Let's have a quick look at the news as well here before we jump straight in. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. All right, let's see. So we have, where are we? Today, we have zero news today. No news. No news at all. You got some USD news tomorrow, but today you have absolutely nothing. So whether or not we see some movement on gold, we'll see. It's already having some pretty decent movement already here this morning. You've had a very, very nice push up towards the end of Asia. Very, very nice push up and kind of continuing that push as well. Morning, Mary. Alan, what's going on? Welcome back. Good morning from sunny Wales. Good morning, man. What's going on, Peter? Hello. There he is. Another Welsh man. Morning, brother. Where you been this week? Good morning, man. We were on yesterday, man. We took a banger on stream yesterday, man. We took some amazing gold sells yesterday. Monday I was in Sydney. But yeah, we were on stream yesterday, man. We took some beautiful gold sells yesterday. Like 36 ticks we took yesterday. All right, I'll let everyone join in. A couple more minutes. Aiden, yeah, absolutely everything, man. Everything's in Discord. The course, mentoring sessions, trade breakdowns, psychology audios, daily market calls, absolutely everything, man. Why does it keep freezing? S&P still on the rise as well, which is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's pretty much my overall target here. Was it on live? Yeah, we took it yesterday on stream. We took gold sells. Where's the position? We took these gold sells yesterday here. On stream. Where is it? Here. We took about 36 pips in about 10 minutes. That was yesterday's trade. Yeah, very nice. 3 confluence gold sells. Just go back and watch yesterday's stream, man, or I'll do it into another video. I've kind of been through it for everyone already, so I'm not going to go back over it today. But I'll recap it into another video. Nice buy trade. You're down. Thank you, man. Yeah, beautiful push. An amazing push. Just off of just a major level of support and a 50 moving average. It's pretty simple. like most trades. Very, very nice. Oh wait, a few more minutes. Let everyone join in, and then we'll start breaking down gold. Hey Chris, what's going on, man? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Let's have a look at this daily on gold. Daily held above that support yesterday on gold beautifully. And now you're starting to push back higher. And you're going to see gold today come up into yesterday's high. What's up, Aaron? What's going on, man? Hello, everyone. Hey, John. What's going on, man? When's the next getaway with F2B? Next month, man. We have a week in Bali. We got a week in Bali next month, man. Kept on running this. Oh no, it's annoying, man. Good morning, guys. Good morning, man. All right, I think everyone's almost here, so we'll get started here in a second.
Recording in progress.
Cool. All right, let's do it. Let's have a look at Goldie today, see what we got going on here. Let me just change this up. We'll make this the 30. We'll make this the hourly. And we'll do a bit of our daily here as well. Let's get rid of this. I am currently in these gold buys on the 30-minute. I am break even though. Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. So let's take a look here on gold. So yesterday closed with a massive wick rejection, rejecting this support here. Kind of grabbed all of these weak lows that we needed to grab before a potential push higher. So we've wicked out all of the weak lows, and you're starting to find some very, very nice support. So you actually had a really nice daily close yesterday, especially after Monday closed aggressively bearish. Yesterday closed doji, finding some support. So very likely you're going to see gold start to retrace much higher today. So I am bullish on gold overall today. And remember, yesterday on stream, we spoke about gold sells into these 4-hour lows before potentially pushing back higher. We had the sells into lows. There was about 60 ticks into the lows. Then there was like a couple of hundred back up. So some insane opportunities yesterday on gold. Some very, very nice opportunities. Where was it? We bounced off kind of this area here. We've got this resistance. Support, support, support. Broke above. Lovely, lovely push. Now today on gold, I am looking for price to come up into this area up here. We've already seen this beautiful liquidity grab in the Asian session, wicking out previous 4-hour lows, held back above, flipped back bullish, and that's when you're already starting to see a very nice drive. And that's where we've already taken about 50 ticks in Discord already this morning off of them buys from this morning's market call. Once you close back above this level, buys in the break of the high. And I think we got about 50 on this here. Yeah, about 50. Amazing. So now for London, all we're looking for is buys up into this area up here. And that's going to be our outlook for the day. And now, you know, you may come back down into this region later on, but I'm not really too worried about that yet. If we do break down later, that will be a level of interest. But for now, we're looking for longs on gold up into these levels up here, like this. You have already seen this 30, and this is why I took the longs. You've seen the 30 come down, wick out previous 30 lows, hold above, bottom wick, and break back higher. So you've already kind of had a nice push here. The hourly has just closed, wicking previous hourly lows, closing back bullish. There's a high chance you can see gold just continue to push higher here. But let's see. Let's see, let's see. From where you're currently at, it's about 28 ticks into the highs, which is pretty nice. So these are, you know, you can imagine anyone who is trying to short gold right now, people who are trying to sell gold, probably trying to do something like this. So imagine this is what most retail traders are trying to look at, trying to take shorts, putting their stop above this high here or above that high there, looking for this big play down. So there's a high chance you are going to see gold spike out a lot of these highs. So that's what we're looking for here today. Where are we? Good morning, man. If you're not already in the longs, you can't really take it from here. You need to pull back first. You need a pretty decent bottom wick if you're going to take buys here. The clearest buys in the last like hour is on the break of this high here. That's where I'm in from. Where did I enter? Just on the break of that 30 high there. I'm in from here. I took it, actually, I didn't actually take it here, I took it basically here. Sorry, man. Yeah, you want to be entering down here, not here. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be buying here. Do you have a bottom wick on this hourly? Yeah, you do. Yeah. My entry is just this 30, just grabbing previous 30 lows, holding above the support, breaking highs, closing bullish. I'm just buying into where most people are trying to sell. So I pretty much took the buys as you were starting to reject here. Stop loss was just below the 30 low. As soon as you break up higher, break even, and you're just trying to buy up into here. Most people will be trying to sell this resistance, stop loss above this high. I'm just buying up into that. And you also, you know, we're bullish. Audi closed bullish. Doji grabbed previous high lows, closed back above, having a nice drive. It's a really simple buy, but yeah, it's just a 30-minute liquidity grab, little morning star. Push up. Currently running like about 35-ish. Yeah, imagine a lot of people are probably trying to sell here on gold though. A lot of people try and jump in these shorts, stop loss just above this high here. But if we want to get more entries, we need this to pull back. I'm not going to be buying gold from here. You buy on these setups, you do not buy here. What's up, people? What's going on, Mark? What up? What up? Are you still in the longs as well, Mark? Nice, man. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Took that long, booked $20. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yeah, so simple, man. So clean. Yeah. Next trade, grab the highs or something. Nothing right now. Needed a lot more than this. Needs a lot more than this. You know, if you grab the highs and start closing back below, you may get some shorts. But as of right now, in here, nothing yet. Nothing yet. 5 minute had a beautiful liquidity grab here as well. More 5 minute entries there. Grab the 5 minute lows. Close bullish. Just take buys from here. Targeting that, like, there's your break even point. So take longs from here. That one, yeah, that one was beautiful, man. You literally could have entered another position there. What, you got like 23 already? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Morning. When you short, you wait for a 30-minute close. Yeah, if I'm going to take any sells, I'm not going to take any sells anytime soon. But if I want to take sells today, you probably have to close like back below here, maybe. Get back below there, and you can maybe look for some shorts. Close back below, top wicked it, push lower. Broke above, straight back below. Yeah, if you grab some highs and close back below, yeah, you can definitely take some shorts. Definitely. Hiya. Yuri. Yeah, nice man. Yeah, it kind of. I wasn't watching the fight, but yeah, it did kind of wick out the lows, close bullish, and then bearish. But you just had a beautiful level to need to come and grab like here. What you got today? What we got in this 5? So you just grab these highs here. You haven't grabbed these highs yet though, so I'm not short anywhere soon. On to Bali. Yeah, not long at all, man. Not long at all. What, like what? 2 weeks maybe, if that. Not even that. Nah, on next Saturday, yeah. Next Saturday, man. Let's see, it's 15. I'm not gonna. If you start closing back below here, I'm not taking shorts. You haven't grabbed the highs. I'm not taking. I'll be taking no shorts until you grab here. If anything, if we reject from here and come back down, grab some 15 lows, we'll just take more buys, which would be amazing. Will you be streaming in Bali? Nah, I won't be. No, just streaming in only in Discord. I'll be only on Zooms, and the guys at the retreat. I'm short. Yeah, I'll be careful shorting. If you're doing something like this, I would be very careful. Imagine most retailers are probably doing this right now. I'm going to look for some longs up into that. 5 and it didn't grab the previous highs on the futures either. So the more you pull back, the more likely you're going to see some decent buys. So you may get some buys below some previous 15 lows. Close short 22 ticks. Yeah, amazing, man. Beautiful. Nice quick scalp there, man. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see. 30. Yeah, 30 still bullish. So you could look for longs. Once you grab some 15 lows, and then if this 30 body can reflip bullish, that's going to be the next longs there. Be looking at that. Let's see, 15. Yeah, maybe if you can come and grab some 15 lows, hold above, you could have some more longs. Yeah, what, like here? Or like here? Yeah. Yeah, I like that, man. I do think, well, like, if you can grab these highs here, I do think you can also eventually grab these lows today as well. Yeah, because imagine a lot of people probably trying to buy off this support. Stop loss down here, looking for a big, huge play up. Locked. Count out for the day. 3:30 ticks. Amazing, man. Good job. Beautiful. Amazing work, man. Amazing work. 15's pushing down here. You haven't grabbed the highs, but you've clearly found some sort of resistance right here. Found some resistance, pushing back lower. You're looking like you're about to grab some 15 lows. Like I say, I'm not taking any sells until you grab these highs here. Let me see, is this 30 looking? 30. Yeah, nah, no, definitely no sells for me. Yeah, it is strong, yeah, it's strong. If you'd grab these highs here, you know, I'd be looking at these shorts, but because you haven't grabbed the highs, I still think you're going to spike up higher. Did that 15, 5 minute, no, you did close the bottom wick. Yeah, see how this 15 is going to close? You're grabbing previous 15 lows. You are also just ranging. Like here. Just a bit of a range here. Like that. It's going to be a bit of a range. I'm probably not going to take a trade in. Software, do you execute trades? Also TradingView. Nah, I do execute my trades on Top Step X. Let's see, look at that. You're wicking out them 15 lows now. So if this body flips bullish, that'll be the flip of the 30 as well. And that actually may be a nice area to look for some more longs. Here, on the flip of that body. And you would risk off this low, which is about 20. And you'd be looking to play it up into here. Actually here. Because the 30's kind of created a top wick and a bottom wick, so if you break back above here, that'll be the point where the 30 starts to flip bullish. See that? 30 kind of leaving some lows. Had that 5 closed. 5 closed. Yeah, aggressive. A strong bearish 5 minute close. So you'd want to see it close back above. Yeah, I reckon, man. Yeah, I reckon high's gonna get smashed beautifully, and that could actually still give us another trade. What are your thoughts on MetaTrader? It's all right. It's not my preferred platform, that's for sure. It does the job though. It does the job, but it's pretty old and crap. I think futures platforms are way better, that's for sure. I still use MetaTrader, but yeah, futures platforms are much better. Yeah, 15 has just closed. Found some support. You've grabbed previous 15 lows. 15's choppy, but this would be more so based off the 30 continuing to push. But you can see it's a pretty ugly range in here, to be honest. So if we zoom out a bit, it's actually kind of messy in here. But if you do break up, you can see gold come all the way back up into here. Where's this current weekly open as well? What, here? Yeah, which is crazy. This weekly has no top wick as well, remember. Which is crazy. I'm not saying you're going to run into it now, but You know, that's like 600 ticks away, which is huge. What news do you have that would give that a boost? I don't think anything really. Yeah, consumer sentiment on Friday might give it something. But there's no news today at all. No news. Trading GC long here. Yeah, it does make sense, man. Definitely makes sense. Five-minute closed bearish and a bit doji, starting to pull back up. Probably want to see the 5-minute close above, I reckon. Can see the 5-minute here. Yeah, 5 minutes pretty choppy. Yeah, I'll wait. If this 5-minute can close bullish, you know, I may look for some more longs. But I'm going to wait for this 5 minutes close. Looking for sells? Nah, no sells for me, man. No sells for me. I'm not taking any sells until you grab these highs here. If you take sells here on gold, you have to ask yourself, where are you going to put your stop? And if you put your stop loss above this high, you're going to be trapped in with most retail traders. So that definitely no sells for me. Only longs. Only longs, but I want to see a 5-minute close with volume and just follow the volume. You know, like here, like you see these big pushes up, like nice closure, and then just continuation. If you don't get that, like good volume, then I'm not getting trapped in a range. I've already had a few decent amount of trades there. I'm not looking to give anything back because we're going sideways now. How's the hourly looking? I think the previous hourly was nice and bullish as well, wasn't it? Yeah, previous hourly was bullish. Makes sense to continue pushing up. Makes sense to me. Yeah, look at that hourly. You've rejected the support. You've grabbed the lows and you've closed bullish. You'd expect this hourly to still close above like this level with a nice strong candle. See what anything else is up to whilst we're here for Goldie. Kind of just ranging here. Let's have a look at oil. Did oil close bearish yesterday? I knew it was getting... Nah, look at that. Found support. Boom. Oil longs make sense now that you've closed back above. Now that you've actually had that closure back above off that support. Yeah, you may see oil have a swing push back up higher into this double top area. Oh, you actually did grab it, but I still think you probably see it go higher. What else are we looking at? Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq bouncing as well. Yeah, beautiful. Nasdaq having a solid bounce higher. Let's have a look at Euro futures. Euro futures. Nice strong push up. I think you probably see Euro come a bit lower. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, you can see Euro come lower. Goldie, not flipping just yet. I'll probably wait for this 30 close here. Alright guys, give me 2 secs. Gold's not doing anything. Back in 2 seconds. Also, we need to see how this hourly closes before in order for us to stay on for the next hour. If this hourly doesn't close bullish, then I'm probably not going to trade London Open because it's probably just going to range. So hopefully this hourly actually gives us a closure that we can stay on and actually trade. But if this next hourly closes doji, then you need next hourly closure because I'm not going to trade in between here if that hourly doesn't break out. I won't be taking any trades in any of that noise. Where's my computer gone? Trading view? Where have you gone? What the hell? We're back? Yeah, we're back. That's weird. What happened there? Bro, can you please check volumes? What volumes, man? Please explain why you don't look at volumes. Well, if you're talking about the volumes that are printed on the bottom, they print with high volume once the candle's closed. I can see on the candles if there's volume or not. I don't need another chart down here to show me if there's volume. It doesn't tell you it ahead of time. So what's the benefit? Like if you like this, like literally this. In hindsight, this looks like it has some sort of value. Let me just make sure that's not done. Are we back? I don't know what happened there. Why did my internet keep going funny? Are we back on? Let me check. Where did that just go? Are we back on? Let me check. Where did that just go? Yeah, cool. Yeah, I mean, look, if you literally look at well, what's the normal volume? Like, what does this tell me other than what's already happened? Like, this literally does nothing for me. Is it going to tell me what's going to happen soon? So it's like you're getting volume now. Now this candle here is probably going to close like this volume candle is going to close like bearish up here. But it's like I don't need that to tell me that that's going to close bearish. Like this does absolutely nothing other than give you hindsight outlooks. So, oh my god, yeah, look, volume was picking up here, and you could have bought here because there's volume. It's like, no, this volume candle didn't print till this was aggressively bullish. So this thing is actually completely useless. If you want to look at volume, look at order flow. Looking at that isn't gonna do anything. Sometimes it indicates the lag. And yeah, exactly. Yeah, literally, it doesn't tell you anything before it's happened. So what's the benefit? There's literally none. Volume indicators are just noise. If you want to look at true volume, yeah, look at actual order flow. Or bookmap, yeah, look at bookmap, yeah, 100%. Yeah, you get much more benefits looking at bookmap than you will just trying to look at that hindsight indicator. Can we take a sell? Nah. No sells until you grab these highs here. Look at that. 5 minute never closed back above. Rejected, grabbed highs, closing back bearish. Nah, no sells for me on gold, personally. Yeah, GC's on bookmap. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. I used to use it, but I don't use it. If you don't already have price action down, don't even bother looking at bookmap. It's not going to solve any issues. It's a nice to have, but it's certainly not necessary. Where do you look at order flow? Just on the futures platform. Just Google it. There's different loads of multiple futures brokers you can look at it at. Waiting trade NQ provides plenty of opportunities, I'd say. Yeah, so does gold. So what's the difference? It doesn't give anything else that gold doesn't give. So what's the difference? I personally find gold moves much better. So if I think gold moves much better and gold gives me multiple opportunities a day, then what's the benefit? Stop loss hit, I'm out. There was no trade, so I'm not sure what trade you're on about. What's bookmap? It's just a visual way of seeing orders, man. 30 has just closed bearish on Goldie. You may drive a little bit lower, but like I say, I'm not taking any sells. You haven't grabbed any highs. And the hourly's still bullish. You know, if you take sells now on gold, you are selling into support. So if it bounces and the 30 fakes out, you'll look at the hourly and be like, that was a silly trade. But if we can close back above this area, boom, amazing. We have longs. How long have you been making money through trading? I've done a whole video on it, man. Don't know why you bought trade gold. I've already got like 80 ticks today. I'm really not trying to take a trade in here. Orders can be spoofed. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why I don't use it much anymore, man. Yeah. It can just, you know, it'll just throw you off. You're looking at massive orders and it'll just never hit that area, and then they'll disappear. That's why I don't look at either. I don't find they help. Just pure price action. Pure price action and closures. But yeah, even if this hourly closes bearish, I'll probably call it and wait for the next hourly to close. But we'll see this 30 close. You're just chopping within. Here's your support. Here's your resistance. Breakout, amazing. You got to trade. Anything until then, it's just noise. It's just noise. Yeah, that's it. Some arms. Thank you, Aaron. Yeah, good shout, man. I'll be doing the same soon, man. I'll be doing the same soon. How's the 4 hour on gold? Let's see. 4 hour. Yeah, grabbing previous 4 hour highs. 4 hour still bullish though. So to sell against that 4 hour, yeah, it's too risky. Too risky. Explain why not sells. I have multiple times, but the reason I'm not selling is because you haven't grabbed any highs. If you haven't grabbed any highs, you can't sell. Because where are you going to put your stop loss? If you take a sell trade here and you put your stop loss here, 90% of the time, you are going to get stopped out. I can almost guarantee you that gold is going to rip these highs today. These highs here. But if you don't trade liquidity grabs, you can absolutely take sells. Exactly the same as with our sells yesterday. We were selling into where most people were trying to buy, which is exactly why we'll be buying today, because we're buying into where most people are trying to sell. If your charts look like this, like right now on gold, if your charts look like this, and you're drawing up something like this, I can guarantee you 9 times out of 10, if not more, you are going to get stopped out. So draw this on and see how it plays out today, like we did yesterday, a few times actually. You're very likely close above and rip all of these highs. This is a resistance trap. Same as the downside though. You know, people buying here, stop loss below that low. But that's exactly what we did yesterday when we took them sells. It was literally, we took sells based off most people were trying to take longs here and put in their stop loss just below this low. And that's why yesterday we sold into where most people are trying to buy. Exactly the same today. We'll be looking for buys up into where most people are trying to sell. So because you're pushing down here, this is going to be my area where if we close back above here, boom, amazing. We have beautiful buys all the way up into here. You're probably going to grab these lows now though. You just closed bearish. There's a high chance you're going to grab these lows. So if you want to sell into that, you can, but I'm personally not going to. Like I say, if this hourly does close bearish, then I'm going to have to wait for like another 1 to 2 to close back above. But you're very likely going to grab these previous hourly lows here. Very likely. If so, why didn't you enter a short position before the long comes up? Because you didn't grab the highs. Can't take sells if you don't grab the highs. If you grab the highs, then absolutely I'd take sells. Like if this had wicked out these highs, I said that at the start of the stream, amazing, we'll take sells. But if that doesn't happen, then I don't take sells. Yeah, honestly, it's so painful, man. I don't know why I do it. Especially I'm already up like fucking 80 ticks today. Yeah, FX chart 100%, Craig, man. 100%. I honestly don't watch them on the futures chart, to be honest, man. I take no value of them in the futures. It has to always be grabbed on this one, man. But yeah, that's what we did yesterday. We took sells before the longs came up. That's what our plan was yesterday. Taking the sells into here, then amazing, you can take the buys out of it as well. Then I also spoke about price coming. If you guys go back to yesterday's stream, I said once price breaks this low, there's a high chance you're also going to rip this support, which is exactly what you did. And then you ended up, boom, completely ripping back higher. So you just left a little double bottom here on gold. You're very likely going to spike that out. Oh, I just see what you mean, Craig. It's just because it got grabbed on the futures, right? Yeah, it just got grabbed on the futures. Yeah, nah, it still has to be grabbed on the FX, man. I find that sometimes, you know, it can get grabbed on futures, but it will still get... if it's grabbed on futures but not FX, it will still get grabbed on the FX one, man. So I have to see it, that one. Put in patiently time during your sessions. Yeah, that's the key. That's the key, Paul. It's really easy for me to identify when there's going to be a trade in like the next hour or not. Like, it's super simple. Like, you know, anywhere in here is just noise. You know, ideally though, today what we see is we see price grab these lows, close back above, and then we go long up into here. That would be our ideal situation. Or, you know, if you come down here without grabbing these highs, once you grab these lows, be careful, because you could see gold just completely have an amazing move, which would actually be damn beautiful. School day every day. Hell yeah, man. Absolutely love your videos. I've learned so much. Thank you. Good to hear, man. Love to hear it, man. That's what it's all about. I will recap yesterday's trade into a YouTube vid as well, because yesterday's trade and yesterday's calls were beautiful. Took these sells down 36, and remember I said yesterday, once you break these lows, the 4 hour is going to drive into here, which was another 40, and it hit lows of like 70. What would you recommend to someone being inconsistent for years to improve the trading? Keep it simple. Simplify your trading. Most people these days fail in trading because they just have analysis paralysis. You know, you look at all these social media traders that are influenced by these fake gurus, and it's all just BS. Like, what you see here on my charts is all I use for us to show up and have consistent wins on stream. Understanding liquidity and breakouts, like that's it. So if your charts don't look as simple, if you can't read a chart, like even reading a naked chart, like I draw up a lot of these to demonstrate it for you guys, but like I don't need to draw this on to know that prices are very likely going to drive up into these highs. So you kind of want to get to a point where you can just read pure price action. And if you can read pure price action and understand what's happening on the higher time frame, your life is going to be much easier. Like our shorts yesterday, you know, our shorts yesterday were based off the 4 hour, but executed on the 5 minute. So understand higher time frames and learn to read price action. Keep it super simple. Yes, 740. Let's write that down. 740. But yeah, simplicity is honestly key in this game. Simplicity is key. What? But yeah, expect gold to probably push a little bit lower here. You're very likely gonna... Oh, actually, you did. Did you just grab them lows? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you just grabbed them. See? You just grabbed them lows there. They were already grabbed on futures, but they weren't on FX, so you can see it drive a little bit more. And patience, yep, absolutely. This one. Oh, yeah, I think so. I'll just leave it. Anyone who is probably trying to buy gold, you would imagine they're probably trying to do something like this. Imagine people trying to take longs here, stop just below this support. So you could see it spike a little bit lower. If you do want to scalp some little sells, then you definitely could, but it's not really worth the risk to me yet. Yeah, definitely. Definitely not my mate. Let's see how this 15 is going to close on Goldie. 15. 15 still pushing down. What do you have from these areas back up into here? Look at that, 70 ticks. That's amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So this is going to be your current liquidity level. You may see it spike down into a little bit more. Where could you take shorts from? I could take some shorts, maybe above some previous 5 highs for a little scalp. But it's kind of risky because you haven't really grabbed anything. You haven't grabbed any highs, you haven't grabbed any lows. Bring new here is ATM, you take a trade. That doesn't have a time frame. Yesterday we took the trade at 7:15. It's currently 7:43. Anytime between 7 till 9, man. 7 till 9 AM. Take a trade at any time then. But I'm not really doing anything until, you grab these lows, close back above, I'll go long. Or grab these highs and I'll go short. Literally until then, I'm honestly not doing anything. This you want to be trading times like this. You don't want to be trading times like this. This is just noise. Well, the only time you can trade ranges is once you grab the lows and close above, then you can trade ranges. Until then, this can just go sideways all day long. But yeah, if this hourly does close, like I said, if this hourly just closes doji or not bullish, I'm going to leave it there. I've got more important shit to do than watch this go sideways. There's no benefit to us watching this if we don't get a decent hourly close. You're going to need another hourly closure, so you may as well just wait for it to pan out. One from UK, sort of video trading nut. Great stuff, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, it was a good podcast, man. Very good podcast. Very good podcast. What's up, man? What's going on, Harry? Can you go over the grabbing terminology? Check out some of my trade breakdowns on the channel, man. There's quite a lot. Well, I'm gonna record one today for this one yesterday, so I'll record that one. Oh, look at this on Goldie. Let me get rid of this for a second. Let's zoom in here. So you didn't grab them fives, but you have just wicked out these lows here. And you've actually just closed back above. So we may be onto something. The last 15 of the hourly, this would have to show me something. Because the 30's finding this support. You have just grabbed 30 lows. So if we can start to push up. Yeah, I like that, Sean. Yeah, I like that, man. You may have some longs here soon. I think the flip of this one, which is also the flip of the hourly, would probably be the safest. Because you break that, once you get up into here, you know, that's like 36, which is still amazing. You trade support and resistance, an element of support and resistance, I guess. I guess you could say. 5 minute pushing up nicely now. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a 15 closure, which will probably be the hourly as well. If this does close like bullish up here, amazing, then we'll get the hourly confirmation and we can know if we can stay on or not. %56 people long, 44% short. You'd want a little bit more of a bottom wick on this 15. If you get a little bit more of a bottom wick, then you could take the break of the high actually. You'd probably be looking at like, what's the risk? The risk is 27. So you'd want to reduce your risk for 52-ish. Let's see. We're looking at this. I don't have any orders in just yet, but this is what we're looking at. You want to see this 15 low respected, this 15 to break its high and actually have a nice drive. And you have to be break even as soon as you tap into this resistance. That's going to be an instant barrier. But if you get back above here, boom. That's going to be the cleanest entry, I think. I don't have any orders in just yet, though. I'm just drawing this up here, see what it looks like. It was a nice 15 close, though. You close respecting support, you've also closed respecting resistance. Something we can't ignore. Got to be neutral here on Goldie. Got to be neutral. How's that 5 looking? Yeah, that's the thing. That's the same as me, Mark. I've had some great trades. I'm like, what do I want to give it back in this little range for? That's why I'm honestly just being patient here. Had some amazing volume today. It's like giving it back in here just kind of doesn't really make any sense. Because you will get more. You will get a cleaner volume today. On the break of the high, you're at like 23.40. Oh yeah, clean setups are so obvious, man. So obvious. Like even the 30 buys, like they're the trades you want. So simple, man. Like 30 grabs the lows, closes bullish in that 1 30-minute candle. You've got like 27 ticks. You literally just close full. Your trade done. They're the cleanest ones, man. Even the ones down here. I took the buys earlier here today. Once this closed back above, literally the exact same thing. Closed back above, closed like 51. Like somewhere up here. Close that down. That's you done for the day. You take anything more than 20, that's literally you done for the day. If you keep taking trades, you're going to give it all back. And then once you give it back, you end up at break even. And then you go, whoa, I was up this much there. I can't end the day at break even. Let me take more trades. You take more trades, then you end the day red. So if you're up green on the day because you've got some clean moves, lock it in. That's your day done. Come back tomorrow. More trades does not mean more profit. There's another one. What was that? 7:50. 10 minutes later, we got another one. 07:50. You ought to be my thumbnail, my real editor, Mark. Clip that. Every time I say clip it, you know when to clip it. Creative director. Let's see if we can get back above here on gold. Let's see. We've got this hourly close in 10 minutes. If this hourly closes back bearish below here, like I say, guys, I'm waiting for a closure back above here. We want it to hold. We want this in the next 10 minutes to close back above here. Close back above here. The next hour we're going to have longs. If we close below, you're probably just going to range. So this next 8 minutes is going to be very, very key. If you had a buy stop on the break of the 15 high, just cancel it. That's why it's good to put in these buy stops. So you would have had a buy stop, what, like here? On the break of that high, which is the break of the 15, just close it. Close it, close it, close it. Come on, tell. Yeah, I would rather bath mine as well than watch this. You can see top step tilt's pretty 50-50 right now as well. 50 long, 50 short. Same as S&P, Nasdaq. The only thing that's pumping is oil. Here on Goldie. If you re-break these 15 lows, who knows? Could you push down? Doubt it. You got support right there. There's a lot of noise in here. You break back below there, you got more noise there. Break back below, you got more noise there. So it's looking like we're going to close below. And all I literally will be doing here for guys is for the next. Literally, I'm just going to set an alert here. I'm not even going to watch it. I'm going to wait for a closure back above this level, and then boom, we'll go long. And that's literally going to be it. And like I say, once you do wait for price to break back above that level, you got 50 ticks, another 50 ticks on the day. It's amazing. You'll be up like way over 100 today. But watching this just range is not productive. Counterproductive for trading, actually. If ever you find the markets are just going sideways, honestly just set alerts and just wait for closures. It's super simple. These buys today I literally took when I was out on my phone. It took like two minutes of thought process. You had a morning star, you close bullish, cool, just go long. And that was 60. Yep, good shout, Alan. I'll be doing the same as well, man. See you next time, mate. And remember, there is no news today as well. No news. Yeah, less likely to range. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. More likely to range. Yeah, you're grabbing the highs, you're grabbing the lows. You're not really breaking out. You know, if you grab some highs and close nice and bearish, you'd expect it to drive. But when it doesn't drive, and then it also grabs some lows. Yeah, I think it's just ranging, to be honest, man. Gonna jump off, enjoy. Nice one, Mark. See you next time, man. I'm off, folks. Have a good one. See you next time, man. Enjoy. Same as me soon. 30 tick loss. Yeah, it's just ranging, man. You just gotta be patient. Like I say, I'm not taking a trade because I don't want to take a trade. Like I want to take a trade, you guys, but it's just ranging. You could take trades in this range and you could lose, or you could just wait for a breakout and win. Wait for volume. Wait for direction. There's no direction and there's no volume in here. So if you try and take trades in here, you're trying to put your opinions in the markets. We're literally just going sideways. The only thing you can do in here is buy at the support and sell at the resistance, and other than that, literally nothing. Anything in the middle is just noise. Like I say, no volume, no direction. You're trying to put your opinions on. Trade what's happening, not what you think's happening. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's it. Although I think gold's going to break out and go higher today and rip these highs, I'm going to wait for it to actually close back above, and then boom, amazing. Then I'll take it. But yeah, let's want to see if this hourly doesn't close back above. That's going to be my session. It's still jumping on 7 a.m. London time? It is, man. It's 7:56 London time. Normally I'd stay until 9, but you know this hourly just closes bearish. It's just gonna range. Like I say, I've got more important things to do than watch gold. Just watch gold range. I'm not gonna miss anything in the next hour, so I'm gonna wait for a 15 or probably 30 closure above, and then take a trade, and literally just set some alerts and update in Discord. So you can't. We had amazing volume yesterday, but you can't control volume if it's just going sideways. You just got to accept it. Accept it and wait for a breakout. You can even see here on the 5-minute. We're just hovering. We had a great trade yesterday. I had some good trades today again. I'm not gonna give it back just because we want to take a trade. This is your noise. Don't get trapped in here. Ben, I got given this one from TopStep to try it out, man, on TopStep X, and I got it funded, so I've just been trading it, man. But I got given this as a trial to try out the platform, so that's why I've just been sticking with this one, man. I've done a 150 before, man, but with the 150, you can't trade, like once you're actually funded, you can't actually trade that much more size until you scale it up. So I was like, well, now I've got this one, I may as well just keep trading this one until I want to do 150 on the same platform. But it's kind of too hard juggling both. But yeah, this one TopStep guys actually gave me to try out the platform, and then I ended up getting funded on it and been trading it well. So yeah, get a payout on this, and then I don't know, either keep trading it or, you know, just close it, take out everything, and then just, yeah, either do a 150 or just see how we can run this, man. Yeah, I'd like to, man. Yeah, I definitely would. Yeah, I think it's a great platform. I really like it, so I would like to stick with it. Yeah, I'd like to have everything on here. I really like it, man. I'm a big fan. Buy stop up to 15? Nah. Yeah, invalid. Yeah, cancel. It's definitely invalid. Yeah. I'm not gonna take any longs till we close like back above here on at least the 15. But remember, this hourly in 1 minute is probably just gonna close bearish. So if it's hourly's gonna close bearish, you want to wait for at least like a 30-minute closure. So rather than watching this go sideways and getting teased into trades and get excited that you think something's going to happen on the 5-minute, you may as well just wait for a 30 close. The next day, you'll very likely get it. I think pretty sure mine was either like 1 to 2 days, maybe. I can't remember exactly. It was pretty quick though. Do they allow change? Nah, unfortunately not, man. Once you've already started trading it, you just have to continue trading it on that platform, man. Is this 15 going to close above here? 15 is going to close above. Howley's still kind of choppy. 30 did just close nice, actually. 15 did just close bullish. Where can I join Discord? It's just in the bio, man. In the bio. 5-minute did also close bullish. Is this going to tease us into a trade, or is it actually, look at that 5-minute, it did close nice and bullish. If this 5-minute can flip, you may drive high here on gold. We may have some longs. Can't call it just yet because we have just closed above here with an upside target. Yeah, nice instant bottom wick as well, man. Yeah, it's like what we took last week. So we'll be looking at this. As long as you don't, if you break this low, you know, you'll probably go low. We definitely want to see that respected. Yeah, we definitely want to see that previous. Oh, it just popped up on the bot there, man. Wait there. My dog almost costed me a trade. What's going on? Sammy was going nuts. If that had ripped, Sammy would have been in big trouble. Futures but skills. Yeah, it's based towards futures, man, but it's honestly the exact same. It's just based on gold, man. Yeah, guys, this 30's breaking budget through the week. Yeah, it would be, man. But yeah, guys, this 30's re-breaking them 30 lows. I'm honestly just going to call it there, and I'm going to wait for 15 to close back above. So all I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to set an alert here. I'm going to wait for that alert to go off. This is why you trade buy stops. You put a buy stop in and it doesn't flip, then that's fine. You just cancel the order. So yeah, I'm literally going to set an alert there. I'm going to wait for this 30 to reclose back above this level. And I actually am going to wait for no less than a 30 closure. And then amazing, we have longs. But you're pushing back down. You're re-grabbing the lows after what looked like a beautiful closure. And now you're pushing back down. So patience will pay. We're not going to take a trade right now. It's just ranging, it's just going sideways. So you guys on Zoom, I will update you guys in Discord once the alert goes off, and we'll see if we can get some more buys. But for now, yeah, I'm going to wait for a 30 closure, and I'm going to close the laptop and come back at that 30 close. So Zoom guys, I'll talk to you guys in Discord soon. Appreciate you guys tuning in. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to leave it there. Price is just going sideways. I'm just going to let price chill. Like I say to the guys on Zoom, I'm going to wait for this 30 to actually close above or below. I'm not going to do anything until then. It's just ranging. I'm not going to get caught in sideways price action. And then I'll actually post a video later today of the video that we took yesterday on stream because it was an absolute banger. And I'll recap it for you guys. And I'll post that tonight. And if not, I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. Peace.